Videoing?
Yes.
Okay. This is what we call a blur bomb.
A blur bomb.
I'm mixing a little bit of blur with some blur.
And wrapping it with blur.
Add a little blur. And it goes blur.
It's gonna go beep.
I know you can't see what I'm blurring with my hands. But just believe me, it's blurring awesome.
You know, you might not be able to hear the sound on the video.
Now you can because you just explained it.
Why am I videoing this?
Because it's epic.
So you're gonna speed this part up, or they're just gonna sit and watch us?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn this into a time lapse.
Oh yeah. Rain and fire.
Well, that was boring.
Test one, fail. That wasn't boring, that was kind of cool.
The hole in the cup.
Yeah, shot the cup actually.
Yeah.
This one's, he's still on fire.
He's still burning.
He's a smoking. I've been burning. I've been burning. Here's Pablo making a beep.
That's not what I'm making.
You're gonna have to blur your tattoo too.
My tattoo too.
That's right. We're documenting this for science.
That's right. In case we don't survive, people can study it.
We see where they went wrong. The beep was doomed from the start. I can't even see the cup anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
You want
It wasn't us. In the name of science.
Seriously?
Number 2, rain and fire.
Hey, that didn't work.
No, but it looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Well, apparently we got something more right than last time. That smells pretty caustic. Hey, well, we tried 2 different ones. Neither one of them have worked so far. Apparently we didn't wrap the top tight enough on the first one for sure. The second one seemed to go off better, but it still just made this big firebomb, and that was all. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna try a different brand, see if it works better. I think they're a little bit bigger than the last one, so my brother, he's not, pyrotechnic isn't really the word. Pyro, yes. Technic, no. So we'll see how it goes. Can't see you anyways. And I wasn't recording that part.
Well, I'm trying to walk towards it. See?
Fire in the hole! In 10.
Maybe more than 10.
In 15.
It won't stick in the ground. Never had that.
Use the hole from the last one.
I don't know where it is.
Oh. I stomped it out wherever it is. You phone pretty good on battery?
Should be.
Okay. We are neither endorsed nor affiliated with HTC or Sprint. nor do we want to be, unless they want to sponsor us. Thank you, and good night.
Run! This one might be a rocket. I apologize, man.
Did you lay it on its side?
Yeah, it wouldn't stick to the ground.
Brandon.
I think that would work.
I liked it.
Let's see if we can find the cuss.
I can't see anybody.
Well, 2 for me. I think 3 for them went a lot better than the one I got to see, which was just pretty much a giant fireball. So that was a complete fail, but you know, it's okay. So the second one, it was pretty loud. It actually scared me. You could feel it too. It was pretty cool. It felt like the, you know, this was pretty cool because you felt it, you know. So we found out that we had to use a different brand. So now we got the right brand. We're probably gonna try it again, see if it works, because this one worked a lot better than the other brand. So kind of have a conclusion that that one works better. You never know, we might have failed on the other one, but we're pretty sure this one worked. So probably gonna try it again.
And versus 2. Versus 2.
How many people are out there? Yeah. Where?
Alright.
Come on, faster than that.
I'm coming tied with you. Actually, that's too close for me. Whoa! Not this hole.